Hey guys, welcome back to TTSMC Trader. My friend's internet is broken today, pro trader path. So our collaboration is not going to happen today. I hope that tomorrow we'll be able to do that collab one more time at least. So hope for the best. By the way, guys, can you hear me? Let me know that. And if any problem over there, don't forget to let me know that before starting the stream. I don't like to see the comment that your audio is low or we can't hear you or it's buffering. So make sure that everything is cool before starting watching the price action. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to all of you. I hope that everything is cool. Yeah, at the same time, if you don't get me aggressive, if you don't think that I'm like a bad guy, then you can leave a like before starting the stream. Outlander, great. Okay, so you can hear me, I guess. If guys don't hear me, this is not my problem. This is Outlander's problem because I'm using the headphone which is gifted by Outlander. So if the voice is not good, then this is the problem. This is his fault, not my fault. Okay. Some other people, please let me know because I can see near about 50 people are watching. Just let me know. Do some hard work to write it down that voice is cool, sound is good. Let me know. No, sir. If it is cool, then you don't need to send me again. Either way, I'm gonna buy one when I'll be in Portugal. So just a matter of time. But thank you so much for providing this headphone. Really, it was so helpful. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to do this complaint, grab this complaint for a long time. The way I was seeing actually. Audio, video, full strength, and audio is smooth. Okay, thank you, Rakesh. By the way, Rakesh, how are you, brother? Let's wait a little bit, like 2 to 3 minutes to others to join. Then we will talk a little bit. Very fine. That's cool, man. Good morning, JJ Trader. Thank you for confirming that all is good. Just want to wait a little bit, like 2 minutes, no, 2 to 3 minutes. Cat lover, hey, cat lover, hello, brother. Cat lover. That means you are a cat lover. I have a cat as well. I love cat. Hey, Tito, what about collaboration? His internet is down. His internet is down, so he just told me that he's not able to do the stream today. That's why we are not here all together. If he can manage, I mean, if he can actually fix it, maybe he will do his own live today. And if everything is okay, I hope that tomorrow we'll be able to do the collab one more time, at least one more time tomorrow. Looking USD JPY, I see price action is cool there. Okay, it can be. Hey Jonathan, everything's fine. Thank you, brother, for confirming. Is teamed here? Teamed? Are you here, brother? If you are here, just let me know. Thank you, Jonathan, for confirming. I'm just waiting for 1 or 2 minutes. That means around 9:54. I will start. 8:54. I will start talking about everything. I will start from the tweet. Then I'll go dollar index. Then I'll go NASDAQ. And please don't unsubscribe. Make it more subscription and at least make it 8750 today. 8750 subscriber today. Yeah, you are forcing now for subscribing to your channel. Yes, sir, I'm forcing you. Okay, that's cool actually. Let's go from the Twitter. In 26th of October, if you can see my cursor over here, this is my cursor. In 26th of October, you can see over here, I have tweeted that the best gamble week is in front of me. I was talking about this week. Okay, this was the week which I was talking about. Yesterday, Mr. ICT, that means the has tweeted this one. Okay, just let me load that. Markets will likely be challenging as we approach to US election. You say this is actually from yesterday. Okay, don't gamble. Hello, sir. I told that long time ago. I have tweeted this 20 hours ago. So after this tweet, I have seen in my, the home page, there is some traders. I don't follow anyone. Actually, you come over here and you see, I am just following three people. One is the inner circle trader. The another one is my funded futures, and the last one is moral wisdom. Because of his post, I really love it, and you can see sometimes I actually also post the post thing from that moral wisdom. These are all from that same page. Okay, so when I came to this homepage, I started to see that the biggest famous person started to talk about that gamble week. My question is, when I told you guys you don't give a shit, why is that? Trading, what is trading? Trading is not looking for an entry. That is not called trading. 29 days you will be profitable, one day you will lose all of your profit. That's not called trading. You will keep taking entry. That is not called trading. Trading is something that should be very disciplined, where you have to know what is going to happen beforehand. If you don't know what is going to happen beforehand, you are not trading, you are gambling over there. Now if you gamble, then trading is haram. If you are Muslim, then obviously you understand what is halal and haram. But if you are not Muslim, it's okay, just let it go. But if you gamble, that is haram. You can't gamble. Trading is halal when you can predict, or you will try to predict what is going to happen, or you will be disciplined. Then it is halal. If you are gambling, it is not halal, it is haram. Now, how do I know what is going to happen? That's why all of this information is important. That's why I told that this week is going to be the hardest week for as a price action. This is called the gambling week. The best gamble week is in front of me because of US election and also the NFP. Okay, this coming week will be trading week, as the price action will be the worst ever. No learning, there is nothing in this week. You will get nothing at all. No price action, nothing. You can't justify yourself what is going to happen, the price action, why it is not working. There is no answer for that. Whoever is showing you the precision, their perfect entry, they're advertising their channel or something like that. I'm telling you the truth. This is the week where you can't say this is a good price action, this is working, precision is working, ICT concepts is working. No, nothing. Whoever will tell you this, they're lying. They're just lying to you. Please first know when you should trade and when you should not trade. If you can justify that, you have already, you are one step ahead of 99% traders. One step ahead. That means you are already very near to your profitability. That was all about the Twitter, because when ICT has started to talk about gambling week, most people started to talk, okay, this is the gambling, this is the gambling. Where I have already told you, even before starting this week, that this week and the coming week, that means the next week, is gonna be the gamble week. Don't participate with your real money. Here, this is my dollar index 4-hour chart. I would love to start from 4-hour chart, then I will go 1-hour chart, and then I'm done. In dollar index, this is so precise. I don't know why, but it is right. Like, it is respecting whatever I told, it is respecting the same way. This is that daily bullish parallel gap. I told that when this bullish parallel gap will be broken, I will start to look for some sell. Until it is not broken, I will be bullish for dollar index. From 4-hour chart, below this daily bullish parallel gap, if you go to your daily chart, you'll see this is that daily bullish parallel gap. See this daily bullish parallel gap. I'm talking about this daily bullish parallel gap. When you will go to this 4-hour chart, I told everything is in my live streaming. I'm not saying any hindsight or something. Everything is in my live stream. I marked them beforehand. I told that if it go little below of that daily bullish parallel gap, it can reach maximum to this order block, maximum to the concordant cross, the mean threshold of that bullish order block. It came here, trade the mean threshold of that bullish order block, went higher, made this relatively equal highs, come back again, trade that order block, it is going higher again. Now let's go to hourly chart. If you go to your hourly chart, I marked this breaker block in that specific day when market was there. exactly over here. I was in live. I told that when it is falling, this is the last line. Market can reach this breaker block. When it will reach until this breaker block, it will go higher and it will take this relatively equal highs. See this high and that high, they're relatively equal highs. Market tapped over there, went higher, take that relatively equal highs, fall again, trade this order block, retest this order block. Now it is going higher again. How far it can go? There is some other level and all of the things over there. I'm not interested to talk about. But this is working very beautifully, not only from there, but also from here. Remember exactly from there, whatever I told, everything worked perfectly. Every single day is working perfectly. Now this dollar index is working so beautifully, but the NASDAQ is bullshit. Why you are telling this? This is bullshit. Let me go to the NASDAQ now. Let me make it much more bigger screen. Okay. So this is my NASDAQ. Let's start from the daily chart. So this is my daily chart, and as you can see, above this daily fair value gap, I marked that inversion fair value gap. If you remember, then I removed it. I told that even if it go little higher, I want to see can it trade the mean threshold, sorry, constant crossment of that inversion fair value gap, then it can reverse or not. I am not interested to mark that inversion fair value gap, that or just for my observation. Here, when market came here, I just marked that volume balance. I don't know how to use this volume balance. I don't know. I just marked it because it is so clean volume balance, which is a new day opening gap actually over here. This is called the new day opening gap or the new week opening gap, whatever you say. This is that gap. I just marked it and I marked it as a volume imbalance because this has created in 12th July. It doesn't have need to be respected, but still I want to see if it can provide me any kind of precision from there or not. In Nasdaq, I told that when this daily bully bearish fair value gap will be broken, that means one candle will close above this high of that daily bearish fair value gap, I will start to look for that all-time high. Until the high is not broken, that means one candle doesn't close above that high, I'm not looking for buy, I will keep looking for sell. I don't care about that. At the same time, I told this constant encroachment, that was the fake breakout. If another candle can close above this constant encroachment, that is called the confirmation of this constant encroachment broken. If market can close above this constant encroachment, that is the sign. What type of sign? That means maybe market is going to break this last fair value gap. When this last fair value gap is broken, then maybe market will go for that all-time high. When the constant encroachment is broken, maybe market is going to break that daily last fair value gap. Try to understand the difference, how to use this constant encroachment. If the constant encroachment is broken of the last fair value gap, that means maybe the last fair value gap is going to be broken. I'm not talking about this all-time high. This all-time high will become when the last fair value gap will be broken. Until this last fair value gap is not broken, I don't care about this all-time high. Market is not going for that. When the constant encroachment is broken, then my intention is, can this last fair value gap can be broken or not? So I'm now thinking about this last fair value gap broken. Maybe it will be broken. When it will be broken, then I will start to look for that all-time high. Right now, I'm thinking about this daily last fair value gap. Until it is not broken, I'm not bullish. I'm only bearish. Though it is broken, that constant encroachment is broken, so I am not interested to look for sell until it comes back again below this constant encroachment of this daily last fair value gap, because it is broken, so it has an opportunity to go higher and close above this daily last fair value gap. If this part is clear, I'd love to ask you a question. Is it clear or not? Because this is little complicated. I need your confirmation that you got my point. Is that clear? Or otherwise I will go one more time over here. It is extremely important. Again, brother, please just let me know, is it clear or not? If you don't think it is 100% clear, I will go one more time. I have no problem. I have the time until 9:30. Okay, it's clear, crystal clear. It's clear for sure. Interesting. I got it. Okay, thank you. So when it is clear, so what do I mean over here? I am not looking for all-time high, but right now I'm thinking that market will go higher and it will close it is going to break this last fair value gap. Now, if I would love to take a sell, how can I take that sell? Look, I'm not bullish, I'm bearish, but I can't take the sell. I have to look for the buy. I can't go for the buy because this last fair value gap is not broken. If I would love to look for a sell, how can I take that sell? When market will go below this constant encroachment of that daily last fair value gap. That means my every sell setup will be created below that constant encroachment of that last fair value gap. In this area, from here to here, this area I have nothing to do. When price is here, I can't go for the buy because the last fair value gap is not broken. I can't go for the sell because the constant encroachment is broken, so it has the opportunity to go higher and closed above this high of this daily fair value gap. This is the problem to trade this area. I can't go for that. Here is another thing which is called the upper quadrant. This is a very big fair value gap. So if you mark that fair value gap, divide this fair value gap into four quadrant. Okay, so this is the high, this is the low, which is the four quadrant. Now, if you use this four quadrant level, this is the upper quadrant, this is the lower quadrant. There is an opportunity to trade in this area. How can you trade in this area? If market go below this lower quadrant, you can start to look for a sell until the 50%. If it is above this upper quadrant, then you can start look for a buy until this high. There is an opportunity to trade this area with that quadrant level. This need more experience. I don't have that experience. I can't trade like that way. So what I do, I simply let that go to first decide where it wants to go. If it can go higher, I will start to look for buy when it will be top of this daily fair value gap. If it would love to fall, then I will start to look for sell when it is below this constant encroachment of that daily last fair value gap here. Then I will start to look for sell. Otherwise, I'm not interested to look for sell or buy. All of these things I told, it is depending on that daily fair value. Daily chart. All of the things I told, this is the daily chart. So from the daily candle, where I can start to look for buy or sell from the daily candle. There is no relationship with 1 minute chart and 15-minute chart. But if you don't understand what is happening in daily chart, you will have no idea what is happening in 15-minute chart or 1 minute chart. So let's go to 1 hour chart. I don't need the 4 hour chart because this is NASDAQ. In 1 hour chart, sorry, I just forgot to show you one more thing. Yesterday, when market came here, this candle, yesterday's candle, okay, why it was so one-sided? Why it was so one-sided? Look at that candle. What is that candle? Inside candle. This candle is inside that candle. See, this black candle is inside that candle. Next candle, boom. What do you mean by that? Look at this candle. See this candle? This candle was inside this candle, that black candle. Look at that candle, boom. Okay, here, look at this black candle. This black candle is inside that candle. Look at the previous candle. Then the very next candle, boom. If I can find one more. It is not exactly boom, but still this is boom. This is the inside candle. That candle is inside this candle. The next candle, boom, closed above this high. Look at this candle, that candle. See this candle? This candle is inside that candle. The very next candle, boom. Just go back and check by yourself if you can find some other example or not. I really don't know how to show the hindsight or something like that. Just go and check. Whenever you will see the inside, look at this candle. That candle inside this candle, one-sided, boom. One-sided run, boom. Either it take the low or high, whatever it need to take, it will go for one-sided run. It will be the one-sided run. So whenever you will see the insided candle, the very next day you will expect one-sided run. Not always, but 90% of the time. This information I have provided in my YouTube channel long time ago, but maybe you guys forgot that. So always remember, if you see an inside candle from the daily chart, the next candle you will target one side, either the high or the low. Most of the time, not 100% of the time, most of the time. whenever you will get this. Okay, whenever you will get this inside candle one side. Okay, just go and check. Look, this candle is inside that candle. The next candle, first it has taken one side. One side will be taken and it will be extremely bullish or extremely bearish. That was all I wanted to show you from there. I told this before, so it's not hindsight, just you guys forgot. So this is that hourly chart, and from the hourly chart I really don't have anything to say over here, because from the hourly chart I actually look for buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity. I don't have anything right now. Right now market is over here, so just nothing. Let's go to 15-minute chart. So there is your 15-minute chart, and this line is the high of the daily close. I mean, so daily bearish fair value gap high. This is that daily fair value gap high. Let me remove this one. Let me keep this on is the daily bearish fair value gap high. Okay, as I didn't let it be here, so I just mark a line to see is it high or low. This is that new day opening gap. See this new day opening gap. When market is below this new day opening gap, I should look for sell. When market is above this new day opening gap, I should look for buy. Brother, I want to look for sell. How can I look for sell? You have to first decide where market is right now, below this new day opening gap or above this new day opening gap. No buy is valid below the new day opening gap. No sell is valid above the new day opening gap high. If you look at this price leg, to that specific price leg, do you think this is a good price action? I don't see this is a good price action. Still, I have one fair value gap, just one fair value gap over here. I don't have any other fair value gap. So I have this one fair value gap over here. So what I should do? I should observe this fair value gap. I know it is very random, but this random fair value gap is the last fair value gap. This random fair value gap is the last fair value gap. To that specific leg, there is not even a single fair value gap except that fair value gap. From daily chart, what did I say? If the last fair value gap is not broken, this is that high. Remember, that is the high. Until price is not above that high, above that line, I can't look for buy. Or below the constant crossband, it is not marked over here, I can't look for sell. Now, when it came here to this bullish fair value gap, what should you think? Market is falling or market is going higher? This is a simple question to all of you. Just give me the answer. What do you think? This is the only fair value gap. Does market need to go higher or it should fall? If it wants to fall, what it should do? Hey Tamimi, how are you, brother? By the way, I mean, what about your health now? Just let me know, brother. Winston, look higher. Yeah, Manu, absolutely. Seems like that this should respect and market should go higher. Now, if I would love to look for a sell, for example, if I would love to look for a sell, how should I look for that sell? I need that answer as well. Good, thank you. Oh, okay. Okay, thank you, brother. I hope that you will get it soon. Absolutely, you will be fine. Walaikum salam, trading future. Guys, I need that answer. If I look for a sell, first thing what it should do, this market should do what it should do. If I start to look for a sell, break the 15-minute fair value gap. Absolutely, absolutely, sir. It has to break this fair value gap. Now it will use as an inversion fair value gap, that is different matter. All I need to say, this is broken, because I don't have any other fair value gap over here, though it is messy. So I have to go to the hourly chart and I have to find out if there is any other fair value gap around that area. Okay, so I have this hourly fair value gap over here. Then we will look at this fair value gap later. If it can break this 15-minute fair value gap first, then we will see this hourly last fair value gap, can it hold the price or not. That is the different matter. But from 15-minute chart, if I want to look for a sell, I should look for this is broken. If it is broken, maybe then I will start to look for a sell. If it is not broken, I'm looking for a buy. But can I take the buy? For example, it is not broken, market is going higher. Market is coming for that. I know that beforehand that market is going to take this buy side liquidity. For example, this is the buy side liquidity. That is the buy side liquidity. My question is, you know that market is going for that buy side liquidity. But can you take the buy? You saw that market actually respected this parallel gap, has been respected. Market is going for that buy side liquidity, you know that. But can you take that buy? Oh, I forgot about your mom, Outlander. How is she? Must close above new day opening gap to go long. I agree with you, brother. No buys unless we get 15-minute bullish parabolic gap. No, it's not the 15-minute bullish parabolic gap. It's all, I mean, 15-minute bullish parabolic gap I don't need, because this is a bullish. See this is a bullish trend. Market is extremely bullish. This is just a retracement. So after a big run, I need a bullish bearish parabolic gap to look for the sell. But if when it is bullish and I'm starting to look for bullish, I don't need the bullish parabolic gap. If I get a bullish parabolic gap, that's better. But I don't need the bullish parabolic gap because this is a bullish run. Okay, I hope that it's clear, brother. Wait for parabolic gap to form. No, it's not about that. She's in hospital. She's okay. Oh, okay. Thank you, brother. Thank you. I hope she'll be okay. 100% inshallah. Yeah, the way Outlander told, it should close above this new opening gap high from 15-minute chart. Now, if it can close above this high, above that high, who is going to stop me to take that buy until this buy side liquidity? Nothing. I'll simply look for that buy. All of this bearish parallel gap, do they have any intention to stop the price? No, they don't have any intention to stop the price. Why? Because this new opening gap is now going to support me. This bullish parallel gap is going to support that trend. See this trend? They are going to support those trends. So every bearish PDRA is going to be broken. No value of any of these bearish parallel gap. They don't have any value. Okay. So it will go higher and it will take that buy side liquidity. All I have to wait to see if it can close above this new opening gap. At the same time, this is that daily bearish parallel gap high. Remember the daily bearish parallel gap? It is not over here. If you go to your daily chart, you will see this is that daily parallel gap high. What did I say? I am expecting that the daily bearish parallel gap is now going to be broken because the constant encroachment is broken. So everything is in line. What is beneficial for me? Look for buy or sell. What should I look for now? What is good for me to think? What should be my bias? Buy or sell? Right now, what should be better for me? I know, guys, it feels like that you are in school. I'm your teacher, but I'm not your teacher. I'm a student. You are also a student. Okay, you are also students. So we all are learning. I'm just asking so that you guys can fully understand. So I can know that you guys got it. Okay. Buy, absolutely buy. So right now buying is more obvious to me. I am interested to look for buy. Why? Because the daily bearish parallel gap constant encroachment is broken, so it has the intention to close above the daily bearish parallel gap. Remember, this is the daily bearish parallel gap high. So let me write it down. Daily minus FBG is IGS high. This is that daily bearish parallel gap high. When the constant encroachment is broken, market has the possibility, that means it wants to close above that line. It wants to close above that line. So I am bullish. This bullish parallel gap from 15-minute chart is respecting my idea. All I'm going to do, just waiting to see if market can close above this new opening gap high. If it can do that, perfect. Then I will start to look for buy. In the whole time in between this area, I will have nothing to do. Now, let me tell you about the sell. Brother, I want to take a sell. How can I take that sell? Go to your daily chart. 1 day. Why you need this daily chart right now? Because right now market is in daily bearish last parallel gap and market line over there. Okay. Now let's go to 15-minute chart. See this bearish. This is the 50%. I'm not going to the upper quadrant and lower quadrant. I'm not interested to go over there. This is that 50% or the constant encroachment of that daily bearish parallel gap. Now, if I would love to look for a sell, I have to wait to see can market close below this. I mean, go below this constant encroachment of that daily bearish parallel gap. Now, if it come here, what do I have? New week opening gap. Can I take a sell from there? No, sir. Then another new week opening gap. Can I take sell around this area? No, sir. I have the sell side liquidity. It will be maybe taken. New day opening gap. Can I take a sell? No, sir. New week opening gap. Can I take a sell? No, sir. Then here to here, I have the sell side liquidity. I will have the opportunity to take sell over there. Until then, I will have nothing to do. So what should I look for now? Just buy. If it provide me buy, I will go for that, and my buy will be above this new day opening gap. If it provide me sell, what I will do? Nothing. I will sit, my hands is off. I will do nothing. Okay, so I guess guys, it's all clear. This is how I actually make my bias. Yesterday when market was falling, I told that I'm not looking for sell, I'm interested to look for buy, because that was the random reversal. Today I want to look for the buy again. Why? Because the constant constant is broken. It has confirmed that it is broken. How long I'm bullish? Until the daily fair value gap high. Until this area I'm bullish. Do I have buy side liquidity? No. Do I have sell side liquidity? I have sell side liquidity, but it's too far. If you come here, this is that sell side liquidity. It's too far. Okay. Right now market is there. Sell side is here. So it's too far. If it would love to go for that sell side liquidity, it has to break the hourly last parallel gap, because the 15-minute chart is messy over here. So it has to break the hourly last parallel gap, then it has to break this new week opening gap, then it has to break this new week opening gap, then it can go for that sell side liquidity, which is lot of resistance over there. If you look the dollar index, what dollar index is going to do? It is going for that high again. It is seems like that it is going for that high. So when dollar is bullish, I should look for sell. But can I look for sell? I can't look for sell. Why? Because if I would love to look for sell, I have to wait a lot of time. Until this area I have to wait. All of this area I will have nothing to do. But brother, I don't want to wait over there, so I want to take the sell because I'm oversure market is going to fall. That is different matter. I will have nothing to say, nothing to do over there, and I will do nothing over there. I will just let you go and you will trade by yourself. I'm trying to make sure that you guys are getting the point how to find the bias correctly, and I hope that it is helping each of you day by day, so that you can be understand how to look for the buy or sell. Okay, let's wait for the 9:30. Mahdi, if the first presented travel gap according to your strategy shows up in the area between 15 and first travel won't be useful at all. I talked about this first presented travel gap, and I told that I when I marked the first presented travel gap, my charts look like this. Nothing. In my chart, I have nothing. See this chart? This is my chart. I will just mark